and welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day where I'm going to walk you through the visa application process. Today we're going to be doing the Qatar A1 and A3 e-visa application process for Nigerians. Now, but before we proceed, have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? Click the subscription button. We're going to be doing multiple countries application process one step at a time. We're going to cover over 100 countries. How are you going to know the country if you're not subscribed to my channel? Click the notification bell as well, like and drop your comments. Now back to the process. Qatar visa application. First of all, there are two categories: the A1 and the A3 Qatar visa application. The A1 is for those who don't have an existing visa to either the Schengen region, the UK, Canada, or the US. However, if you do have an existing valid visa to these countries, you apply for the A3 visa, which is more expedited and can be processed faster. So now, today, I'm going to be walking you through the process. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
So we are live on the Hayya portal. Here, it's a holistic portal that covers beyond just applying for your visa. If you scroll down a bit, you would see that there's a whole lot you could do on this portal, where you could source healthcare, book a ride in Qatar, and as you scroll back up, you find that it says welcome to the Hayya, explore, experience and enjoy everything. Explore a realm of incredible experiences and seamless solutions in Qatar with Hayya. So it's like the website for everything in Qatar. What you want to focus your attention on is starting your Hayya journey, which is your travel to Qatar. Now you're going to click on start the Hayya journey. How are you going to travel to Qatar? Of course, if you're traveling by road, driving to Qatar, flying to Qatar, concern is with flying to Qatar, as I would like to believe that you intend to fly there. So you click on flying to Qatar. Now, what is your nationality? You insert Nigeria. Are you a GCC resident? Are you residing in the Middle East? No, so click on no. And are you a permanent resident or a visa holder of the US, UK, Canada, Schengen, Australia, or New Zealand? Now, if you have either of these visa, as I earlier said, it ensures that your process is expedited and you can apply for what is called the A3 visa. So let's, for example, click on the yes. Now you click on the yes, you see it says you are eligible for a visa with electronic travel authorization called A3 recommended option. So if you do have either of those visas aforementioned, you're going to click here to proceed. However, we do not have that, so this is where we'll click, and just so you know, we'll go back and start from beginning and see what shows up when we say you do not have the visa. So go back, insert nationality again, Nigeria. No, not a GCC resident. No, I do not possess either of these visas. So you click on confirm. You can see now you're eligible for only one option, which is called the tourist visa A1. So you click on the tourist visa A1. The information here says clearly this visa costs Qatari 100 paid upon the final approval. So when you submit your application, you would not need to pay this fee until the application has been approved. Under certain circumstances, this cost can be exempted. This visa is a single entry and can only be used once. This visa is non-refundable and non-transferable. So you click on apply for A1 visa. Now you're here. It shows you clearly that this application is going to take you at most 5 to 6 minutes. The Hayya application, it auto saves, as it clearly says. As you fill out, it will save any parts you complete, so you can fill out the form in one go, or over time you can always come back to this particular link and continue your process. Application sections. The first section, you need to provide your personal information, which includes copy of your personal photo, ID, or passport. Accommodation information, you will need hotel booking or hosting information. Now, if you have any questions, of course, you can read the frequently asked questions section. Now we click on start the application. As you can see here, it shows us that we need to enter an email address and a password in order for us to start an application. Do not panic. All you need to do is to click on sign up so that you can create an account to run and submit your application. So we click on sign up here. Now on this sign up, you're expected to insert your email address, send you a verification code. Once you've inserted the email address, then you put a password, confirm the password, put your given name, your surname, tick all the boxes and click on create. So we're going to start by inserting our email address. Okay, I've inserted my email address, so I will click on send verification code. So verification code has been sent. I'm expected to go and check my email box for this verification code and then insert it here and click on verify code. Now you see email verified. The next thing is to insert the password. Given name, surname, create. Now this is the second verification. You have to click on send verification code for the second time. It's going to be sent to you, then you insert. Okay, so I've inserted the verification code I received again for the second time. Click on verify and continue. So here we are. Now we are totally in, and you want to quickly go through the interface of this particular portal. You can see on your left hand side here it says back to home page, application information, personal information, residence information, accommodation information, application summary. So this is basically what we're gonna have to complete. Then click on submit and voila, we are done. So we just need to start with the first process. You cannot change this, as you could clearly see. Tourist A, tourist A1, purpose of visit, you just click on leisure. You could also click on heritage tourism, but I mean leisure is also good. So you're ready to start. Before proceeding, please ensure you have handy digital photograph of yourself as usual with every e-visa application process. Valid ID, your international passport, valid for a minimum of 3 months. Details of your onward travel, that's your onward travel flight tickets, and of course details of how you're going to leave Qatar. Then your hotel booking for the duration of your stay. These are all the information you need to upload. So we'll click on next. So now we are here, personal information. You want to browse for a photo that you already have saved in a folder, which is the usual process. If you follow my e-visa series, you would know that I always recommend that before you start an e-visa process, you want to have a folder where you could easily click on and then download. Okay, so here is the personal guide for how the photo must be, and if it's not correct they would reject it. So the photo wants to be clearly lit and have a white background without any distortion at the back. So you acknowledge this before uploading, because if your photos are wrong it will be rejected. So upload photo. The image is okay, as you could see clearly 100% approved. Now you want to upload your identification document, which is your international passport. You're going to have to first select the type of passport. There are multiple options here, as you could clearly see. There's a normal passport, royal, private, diplomatic, travel, document, formal service passport, and mission passport. Let's presume that you are just a normal person, so you have a normal passport. Then you click on normal and then go and upload your documents. As I've already said, you will need to have all of those saved in a folder and stored for ease of access. As you could see clearly here, I already have that done. So I'm just going to select my passport and click on upload. Okay, we are here, and as you can see, all information have been extracted clearly. You have the passport number duly captured, the date of birth duly captured, and expiry date duly captured, all of which have been blurred for safety reasons, so because they compose of my own personal information. So we're just going to scroll down and see what other information we have. Okay, so issuing country Nigeria, and personal information mail extracted from my passport. My full name is here. There's no third name, so I have the first name, the last name, and second name. All information are correct, no fourth name as well. So the next thing is to, as you could see, it says confirm that all information are correctly extracted. Now you put your phone number plus 234 Nigeria, put your 8012345678, then emergency contact name as usual, Ifechukwu, put emergency contact phone number. Let's say it's 8023456789. So click on validate ID. Your ID has been clearly validated, which shows that all information correctly stored. So now we click on next. In this place, you're going to be discussing your residence information, your country of birth, and your country of residency. So in this case, let's assume that you are a Nigerian living in Nigeria, born in Nigeria. So born in Nigeria, living in Nigeria. But remember, this portal is universal, so you don't necessarily need to be in Nigeria to apply. You could even be residing in the UK or in Canada, and you could still use this portal to handle your application. Do you have other or previous nationality? If your case is yes, please insert it, because there are those who do have dual nationalities and might need to apply for the Qatar electronic travel authorization. So you click on next. Where are you staying? Have you booked an accommodation? Are you being hosted by family and friends in Qatar? Let's assume that you are a tourist. What's the name of your accommodation? Let's just choose Radisson Blue Doha. Then review your application. As you can see, tourist application information, tourist category, tourist visa A, purpose of visit, leisure, personal information is below. I'm going to skip that so that it doesn't reveal my own personal information, and scroll down. So you could see issuing country, nationality, gender, name, first name, emergency contact information, residency, country, accommodation information, where you intend to stay in Qatar, general entry, permit of Qatar for visits and tourism. Before submitting, be aware that accommodation proof is required. So you click on I have read and agreed to the higher terms. Then you click on submit your application. Voila, you are done with your process. Very straightforward. If you had enjoyed this particular application process, let me know in the comment section. If you have a country that you would like for me to do the process for you, let me know as well in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because that's what's going to motivate me to keep dropping more hints and more application processes for you all. Thank you for watching.